Hello everyone, I'm Michael Link. Now I'm in Thailand, in the country of Thailand. Oh, it's very hot now. You can imagine how hot it is. Okay, today I'm going to tell you about the one thing about when in the local country in Thailand, when you comes to visit any house, you might see the jar of the water that they put before house close to the ladder. Before you enter to the house, you have to wash your feet first. You have to fix your feet first. Okay, let's come and see how this is look like. Okay, I'm going to take you there when you alive. Okay, when you alive, and then when you get alive. Okay, suppose you park your car already there. Okay, you park your car and then you walk along in this route to go to enter to the house. This is my grandmom house. Okay, you see this? Notice, and then you see this. Okay, this is a big jar. If you see into the jar, you could see there are some water and water in the jar, and also this one, uh, what we call in English, this is like a bowl, but it's not bowl. This one made from plastic in the modern day, but this is from the aluminum or something. And then you just this for washing your feet before you enter to the house. So you just okay, put uh, some water from the bottle and wash your feet like this. Like this. Just uh, clean your feet. Okay, and after that, so you can enter to the house. Okay, it mean they use for clean your feet first before come to the house, because in the up country of Thailand, there's many rice field. There's they do rice pasting field. So the people in here, they have to go to the rice field. That there's a lot of mud in the rice field. When they come back, or when they come back from their work, or when they visit to the neighbor house, they will see the jar like this. It depends on the size, small one or large one. It depends on the owner can find. It doesn't matter. And then, okay, if you see something like this, you to understand that this is for watching your feet before enter to the house. Okay, see you in next clip. Hope you love my pure nature. If you like to know about Thai languages or Thai life, okay, please follow up my clip, and then you can get what you want. See you in next clip. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ Wow, everywhere is so nice and hot as well.